We have been producing some 700 certified trainers in Malaysia from the year 2016 to 2019. In short 3 years, we have about 700 people who came from different industries, all wanted to become certified trainers. And many times, participants come to me and say, Jackson, I don't speak so well, my English is not good, I am afraid to appear in front of the audience, and I don't know whether I can handle bigger crowd, and I am not a perfect speaker. Now my answer to these questions is, you don't need to have a perfect speaker mindset. What is a perfect speaker mindset? A perfect speaker mindset is when you think you need to have a perfect speech, you need to dress beautifully all the time, and you have to look good all the time, and you can't say, and you want to have a perfect speech. But let me tell you, the true essence of being able to engage your audience do not depend on perfect speech. You don't have to be a perfect speaker, having commanding the language very well. If you have a good content and you can speak clearly using your own original mother tongue language and people understand you, you are ready to go. You don't have to be perfect in the beginning, but in the process of becoming a trainer or speaker, you can always improve your PowerPoint, you can improve your speaking style, you can improve your voice, you can improve your stories, you can improve your material along the way. You don't have to be great to start, but you need to start in order to be great one day. Ladies and gentlemen, do not have this perfect speaker syndrome, because if you have this perfect speaker syndrome, you never get started. That's why I always have the same answer to my students who came to me and asked, Jackson, how can I get started? I say, firstly, do not try to be perfect. Just be yourself, be the best version of yourself. After you have done some rehearsal, you are ready to go. So how many times can you rehearse, or do you rehearse? I would say if you have prepared your material and you rehearse about 5 times, you are ready to go on stage. Yeah? So ladies and gentlemen, remember, there is no perfect speaker because you don't have perfect audience. Just be the best you, just deliver your best. Thank you for watching this video, and I'd like to see you in the next video.